Hello! To edit icons shape on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you need to move into the Galaxy Store right here and find yourself the application called Good Lock. And as you can see, as you found it, you have to install this one, and after that you have to open it. So let's go move into this application, and right here we need to find the plugin called Theme Park, and it is available somewhere in this list of plugins. And you simply need to install this using this button right here. I mean the button that looks like this next to the theme park, and simply open it. Now wait for the theme park to actually launch up, and now we have to select icons, right here the icon, and press this button to create new icons. And here we have a lot of different shapes available, as you can see, some circles, some kind of different squares, and like pretty much every shape that you can imagine probably. And you can also create your custom shape from as you can see, some other icons, some themes for the icons probably from stickers or from the gallery. And here we can also change the color of the icons. Let me show you. I don't know, let's say for example this color for the icons itself. We can also change the color of the tray just like this, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all you can do right here. And once you are done applying yourself the changes, all you have to do is now press this button to download, to install this this icons, and give it some name. Press OK, and right now it is available right here in this plugin. Right here we have the HG theme. Press apply, and right now as we go back, as you can see, right now the icons, the shape of icons changed like this. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.